If you want to treat skin conditions, high blood pressure, arthritis, diabetes and even cancer, or if you simply just want to learn more about healing herbs, then don't skip this video as I detail the benefits of burdock root and I also compare it to dandelion root and show you how to make them as a tea. Lego. Right, let's get into it. From acne to eczema to psoriasis, burdock root is known to calm and heal common skin issues. The consumption of burdock root has also helped so many people through its blood cleansing and internal cooling abilities. But not only that, scientific studies have shown that burdock root can even improve the clinical signs of aging skin. I bet you didn't know that I'm actually 30. You're like, this guy must be about 28, 29. Well, you're wrong. I'm 30. It's the burdock root that keeps me looking beautiful. I was going to say slim, but young. As well as the skin, burdock root is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory abilities and it can be an important part to an arthritis diet. As well as that, a study published in the International Journal of Rheumatic Diseases showed that burdock root tea improves inflammatory status and oxidative stress in patients with degenerative joint diseases. Plus, the subjects were given 3 cups of burdock root tea a day for 42 days and then they were assessed on the inflammatory markers like CRP. Well, the results showed that burdock root tea can significantly help people suffering with osteoarthritis by lowering the inflammation markers. I've actually got a cheeky fact for you all. The inspiration for Velcro actually came from a Swiss engineer who was walking through the woods with his dog, and it was the burdock burrs that kept sticking to his trousers and his dog. Well, if you don't know what burdock burrs look like, I'll add an image at some point on screen so it gives a bit of context. But if you're finding this video informative so far, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't got an account, create one, subscribe. A number of studies have shown that burdock root tea can actually speed up the regrowth of liver cells following serious diseases such as hepatitis and cirrhosis. The liver is a precious organ and it can easily be damaged, so making this cheeky burdock brew is especially important for people with liver damage, jaundice and bloodborne diseases. You would have heard me mention this in my previous video about how to detox in one day, and that's diuretics. In traditional uses actually, burdock root tea was commonly used for its diuretic effects, meaning that it can cause sweating and urination. And before you start thinking, ew, why do I want to drink something that's going to make me piss and sweat? Well, it's your body's natural way of purifying the blood and detoxifying the body by expelling excess toxins and salt, which then relieves stress from the kidneys, liver and the lymphatic system. Burdock root contains inulin, which is a soluble and prebiotic fibre that helps improve digestion and lower blood sugar, which makes it an excellent choice for people who are trying to manage their blood sugar naturally. Plus the inulin content makes it suitable for people with diabetes. But when it comes to matters of the heart, there we go. Burdock root contains high levels of potassium, which is actually great for heart health, as it can reduce the strain on the cardiovascular system by lowering the blood pressure. But also potassium regulates fluid balance in the body, which can help prevent heart attacks and strokes. Let's talk about cancer. The phenolic acid and quercetin found in burdock root tea can make it a potent anti-cancer brew, as these antioxidants have anti-mutagenic properties and can seek out free radicals that cause oxidative stress in the body. And these free radicals are often responsible for cellular mutation and the rise of cancer. You might be familiar with dandelion burdock, the fizzy drink that you can find in your local chippy or corner shop, but I'm going to talk about dandelion root and burdock root as a tea combined, and that's where the drink actually originally came from, is from this combination of herbs. And these teas are actually from the same plant family. So when it comes to burdock root and dandelion root, they're both natural diuretics and they're excellent for diabetes and skin conditions. However, burdock root cleans the blood, whereas dandelion actually cleans the liver. Burdock's actually high in vitamin B6 and magnesium, whereas dandelion root is high in vitamin A and K. But finally, burdock root is higher in calories and carbs, whereas dandelion is actually higher in sodium. Now we've learned a lot about the benefits of burdock root tea, and I've also given you an overview of the benefits of dandelion. Now let's make our cheeky dandelion and burdock brew, and it's pretty simple. We've got the kettle on boil already. We want a pinch of burdock root, pop it in a teapot or tea strainer, and a pinch of dandelion root, add it into a teapot or tea strainer. Add your hot water, let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes, and then it'll be ready to consume. Now we have it. We've got our cheeky little brew of burdock root, but not only that, we've got the dandelion in there too. And if you want to know more about the benefits of dandelion root, then I've done a video on this previously, and you can click in the description below or in the top corner. Time to have my brew. Ooh, it's lovely. Oh, I love it. And it's a lovely... Ooh, gonna spill. I don't know how to describe that colour. A little yellow tint, a yellow hue. Should let it cool down first.